Hi, good evening. Welcome to Z Talks once again. Do you have a habit of reading? Yes, I know. Many of us got this good habit of reading. Actually, there is a purpose behind each reading material and reader. This purpose varies depending upon the taste of the reader. Some of them read just for fun, some others to collect informations and to gather knowledge. Some others are very much interested in current affairs. And for some, it is a habit. Their one day won't go without reading one or other material. They are said to be born readers. So the more you read, the more informations you gather. But what I want to discuss today is how to read with the purpose of learning the language. If you are reading to enhance your language, you should be a bit more careful. You may choose any stuff, like it may be newspaper, magazines, or fiction, or whatever it may be. Maybe literary compositions, articles, anything and everything you may read to learn language. But there is a particular style to be followed. If you want to enhance your language, you should adopt 3 steps in your reading methodology. First is read loudly. That means while you read, you listen your own voice. This helps you a lot in correcting your pronunciation and also to understand new words. So that first step involves a kind of listening also. Next, when you read second time, go through the paragraph again. When you read the second time, your purpose should be to observe what's written in that. You observe, you understand, comprehend on what you reading. Third step is to recreate. Third time when you read, you must get ready to recreate it in your own words, closing the book after this 3-time reading. And after that reading, you just keep the book aside, take a pen and a paper, just write down what all things you have read and what you understood from that reading material. Just write in your own words. Don't try to copy from the material. Just in your own words, what you understood, you just write, and afterwards go through what you read. And this is an exercise. Don't get upset if you skipped a lot of ideas. If your ideas are not matching with that of the page. No, nothing. This is just a training. How to read. For a learner, what should be the methodology to be followed while he is reading something. So this kind of reading, if you invest 1 hour like this, step-by-step reading, it will make a lot of difference in your fluency level. Just experiment it and experience the difference. Okay, that's all for today. Keep in touch. Bye-bye. Take care. Good night.